Come test drive the 2022 WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hood scoop, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touchscreen display. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.